What is a tender operation?
So we're off to Paphos and the tender's got 26 people on board. We're a bit late this morning and I think it'll probably be about 10 minutes till we get there.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to depart on our tender journey. For your own safety, we ask that you pay attention to this announcement and ensure that you follow the instructions given to you by the tender crew. We ask that you remain seated in the tender at all times, and if seated near windows or openings, please ensure you keep arms and hands inside the boat, along with any bags or other belongings you may have with you. Smoking is prohibited in the tender.
Company number 8, charter ship with 5 persons on board.
Well, a tender is when the ship can't dock at the port and the lifeboats or other boats take you from the boat to the shore. It's worth doing this because it is effectively a lifeboat drill.
Thanks.
Do you know what's the last tender?
Last tender, maybe you ask a security officer. Good morning.
Thank you.
Okay, now I took a picture because now I'm gonna remember that.
We've arrived at Paphos. It's a tender port where the castle is right near where the tender stops.
The tender works very well, but watch the weather because if a storm comes in,
Unfortunately, because it's raining and there's not a lot to do here, the queue to get back on the ship has started early.
yes, it can rain and it can get stormy, but back to sunny Cyprus and it's a great day. So everybody is taking their last few minutes on the island, which means there's a bit of a rush back and a few people are a bit late. It means that the crew have to be late putting the boats up and the ship may leave a little later than normal. It's quite an operation to put the boats away. They are craned up, pulled back into the ship. There is a buffer between them and the main ship, and then they're locked in tight. please see all our port guides and ship tours on Doris Visits. Thanks for watching. Tell your friends, please share and embed our videos.
Andito! Yan ba yan?
Why should you tell other cruisers to follow Doris Visits? Well, apart from the tips and showing you the ports and all the inside tricks, we might just find something you've not seen.
The fields are peaceful and the mountains are covered in snow and look spectacular. Right, have you got the camera turned on? So, 2 chairs and a parasol will cost you 50 Eastern Caribbean dollars, which is about £15. This bar is called Castaway. We're going to have an Indian meal. They've got sport TV and Wi-Fi. So the taxi here cost other cruisers $30 US. It cost us $4, so the food was free. These are the legendary walls from Troy 6, and if Helen did exist, she would have existed within these walls at that time. In the early excavations, they basically cut a trench through the hill and they were looking for gold and stones, and what they did was destroyed what was here. Remember the old gag, how many people can you fit in a Mini? Well, how many people do you think you could fit in there? This was in the film starring Brad Pitt and Eric Bana called Troy. We're in Stockholm and we're going to take you back to the 70s. The ABBA Museum is over there behind the Tivoli Fun Fair. In 1628, Vasa set sail on her maiden voyage, and here it is in all its glory, and then it sank in Stockholm harbour.
He managed to locate the exact position of the ship.
Doris Visits. We've got films of trips and excursions. It will make the trip so much easier and much more enjoyable.